let's look at printing. Open the file called printing, and what we're going to be doing in here is we're going to actually be looking at the print preview. And print preview in Excel is very nice. All that we're going to do is we're going to go to our file, we're going to click on print, and then here we have a print preview button. Now what's nice about this print preview, it will show you how many pages you have at the bottom here as well. Let's go to page 2, and then we can see, but now there's no headings. Where has the headings gone to? So to fix this with our print preview, let's go back into our page layout, and then in the page setup group, let's click on print titles, and then it says here in the sheet tab, rows to repeat at the top. Let's click on that box, then let's select row number 1, click on OK. Let's go back to our backstage, back to our print preview. Let's look at page 2. Oh, there we go, and on each and every single page it will now print the headings of the document for you as well. Now what you could also do is, if you wanted to, you could go and we can now start maybe adding some headings. Let's add a header and a footer. Let's go to the insert menu, insert tab. Let's click on header and footer. You can see that on our header we've got 3 blocks for our header. So maybe when it's type in here with our header and footer, maybe we want to add a couple of things with our header and footer. We're going to maybe call this header left just to illustrate it, and then header middle, and then header right. Let's scroll down and we get our footer as well. Once again, 3 blocks, and let's just call this footer left, and then footer middle, and maybe footer right. And you can add like author IDs and dates created, whichever you wanted to. And then back to our view, let's go back to our normal view. If we now go back to our backstage, we go to print. There we can see our headers appearing as well as our footers appearing, and you can put in the company name, company logo, what is the title of the document, who created it, when it was created, how many pages are available. You can do very many things from there as well. If we go back and let's go to our out of our backstage, let's go to our page break preview, and this is where you can see sometimes when you print an Excel document, it actually prints out a lot of blank pages, or sometimes it just prints something and then a little bit on one page. So what we can do is, to fix this problem, all we're going to do is we're going to take this blue dotted line, we're going to left click and hold, and then we're going to drag it, and there it gets rid of it. So now everything will be printed onto one page. Let's go back into our normal view,